What's up, fellow pilots? It's Caleb here from Air 101. Are you new to getting aircraft insurance in Canada and are not sure where to start so that you can get your beautiful aircraft insured and start flying it? Well, let's talk about it. Whether you're new to buying aircraft insurance or you've had aircraft insurance for many years, this video is still perfect for you. Please note that I am an aviation insurance broker and I do work with Air 1 Insurance. So I am going to be a little bit biased and of course want you to use them. But today we're going to be talking more about how to find an aviation insurance broker in Canada when you need aircraft insurance and why it's extremely confusing for pilots when they're searching for an aviation insurance broker. First, we're going to pull up Google and search Aircraft Insurance Canada and see what comes up. Right off the bat, we have Global Aerospace Aviation Insurance Company. If you click on this one, first you'll find out that they're an aviation insurance company that does insurance in Canada, but they're not an aviation insurance broker, so they can't actually give you a quote directly, so you will still need to find an aviation insurance broker. P.S. I'm not sponsored by them, but they are a fantastic insurance company. If we keep scrolling down, then we will notice EAA C-Plan Canada. Now this is actually an association called the Experimental Aircraft Association. They are not an aviation insurance broker themselves, but they do work closely with an aviation insurance brokerage in Canada, and they also at this time work with Global Aerospace as the aviation insurance company. But once again, they themselves cannot quote you for your aircraft insurance, but they would still have to direct you to the aviation insurance brokerage that they use. After that, you will start to finally notice some Canadian aviation insurance brokers. Here we have the Magnus Group, Marsh, and Air 1 Insurance. These are actual aviation insurance brokers that can help you out with your aircraft insurance. But then see here's the Old Republic Insurance Company. Once again, they are not an aviation insurance broker, but in fact are an aviation insurance company, and they can't quote you directly themselves. And you would still have to find an aviation insurance broker to get a quote from them. The reason why I wanted to bring up this page and look over it for a couple minutes is this is why it's so confusing when you're looking for aircraft insurance. You really don't know who's an aviation insurance broker, who is the aviation insurance company, who is an association, etc. In order to get aircraft insurance in Canada, you have to go to an aviation insurance broker to get the quote from the insurance company. So let's click on the Air 1 Insurance page. Here you can scroll down and you'll notice that you can find aviation insurance applications on the products page. If you click on the application that says private aviation insurance application, you then need to save it to your desktop before filling it out. In the future, we're going to just have a page dedicated to filling out the private aircraft application so that is a little easier. But for right now, this is how you do it. Then after you go through the application, fill it out with all the correct details, you can then find on the bottom of the products page an email address, info@air1insurance.com. You can send it to this email address. Also, if you go back to the About Us page, then scroll down, you'll be able to find my information and my email address, calebw@air1insurance.com. Once again, you can send the application to that info@air1insurance.com or my email address, calebw@air1insurance.com, or send it to both. Once we at Air 1 Insurance receive the application, then we will send it to the aviation insurance companies to make sure that you get the best price and coverage for your aircraft. I really hope this video was clear enough to be able to at least get you started so that you can find an aviation insurance broker. Stay safe, have fun flying, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.